Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the TV model and Android version so you know which launcher will work. Next, open the Play Store and search for a trusted TV launcher. Install it. If you sideload, enable developer options and allow unknown sources. Do this only briefly. Once done, avoid unnecessary apps that hijack the home. Make sure the launcher app appears in your apps list. You'll select it next to make it the active home screen. You now assign the new launcher as the default home. Navigate Settings Apps and locate the launcher you installed. Tap Open by default and choose the launcher as the home app. The system will prompt replacement. If the option isn't visible, force stop the current launcher, then launch the new app manually from Apps and respond to the home prompt. Once selected, press Home to verify the change. Make sure to reboot the TV if the new layout doesn't load immediately. You finish by customizing the home layout. Move apps, set favorite rows, and configure channels inside the launcher settings so the screen fits your routine. If the home reverts, clear cache and data of the previous launcher, or reinstall the custom launcher and reselect it as default. If problems persist, reboot the TV and check for system updates. As a last resort, you can factory reset, but back up your settings and accounts first so you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.